rain. We just got here and it's starting to drizzle.
And it's sunny. So
yeah, it's like super
it's
sunny.
Bringing back Colorado memories.
But you know, I'm so happy to be here. It's like what, 12 something?
Yes.
And it's still pretty hot even though it's raining, you know? So first we're gonna go do is pick up our celebration horse and then have a look around. Yay! So let's go. So we've been in the park for like, I don't know, 20 minutes and I am already a sweaty mess. It's pretty awful. So we're running off to get some lemonade so we can actually handle walking through the rest of Breyerfest.
It looks like it's gonna rain, so let's go hide out in the craft tent for a second.
My favorite place.
This year's theme is Gateway to India.
So they have Bollywood dancers
and henna tattoos. I'm definitely getting a tattoo.
It's day 2 of Breyerfest
and we have our lemonade.
There's not a cloud in the sky. It's hot and it's just so much fun though. So we're gonna go check out some of the activities with like the bull riding and splash dogs.
Yeah, and there's a horse jump competition.
Of course. So let's go and check it out. It's Saturday night at the Clarion, which is like the best place to find horses.
And we're looking for our first copper box.
Yay! We heard that there are copper fox horses in room 104.
So we're gonna go check that out.
Yes.
Has a little detailed braid. It's like a Welsh cob, right? Yeah, I think it's a Welsh cob.
Yay! It's day 3 of Breyerfest.
And we're going to watch the show
and meet some of the horses. There are people everywhere. You found a spot?
Yeah.
All right, let's go find a spot to sit. This year has been so busy. We've met so many amazing people. I mean, I love coming to Breyerfest because it gives us a chance to talk to a lot of you out there. But we haven't had a chance to watch the show.
So I think we're gonna watch the tiny trio. There's like mountain horses on right now. So yeah, so fun.
Yes, there is a little tiny dog that rides a horse, which sounds really cool. So we're gonna sit back and watch a little bit of the show.
Now
too cute.
I completely want a mini now after I saw that show.
And then we need the Jack Russell Terrier to go with it.
Yeah.
Because they're too cute. I love it. Well, that's the end for our Breyerfest 2017.
It was so much fun. We loved all the horses, and the Nazruda was so pretty.
It was so awesome to meet all of you, and we hope you enjoyed walking around with us and sharing this experience. So we will see all of you next time.
Bye.